This weird roller coaster POV niche is going insanely viral right now. If you look at this Instagram page, you can see they are pulling 2.1 million views, 2.3 million views, and 863,000 views on these crazy horror hallucination rides. This niche works incredibly well because the visual hook is instant and keeps people watching to the end. Right now, it is almost completely unsaturated. Plus, it is surprisingly easy to make once you know the workflow. To show you the proof, here's what I made in 10 minutes. Alright, now let me tell you how to make videos like that. First, go to ChatGPT using the link in the description. Ask the AI to act as a content strategist and generate 5 fresh roller coaster POV horror concepts. Give it details like a first-person perspective from a rusted cart in surreal liminal spaces. Read through the ideas and pick your favorite. For this video, I chose a sunken cathedral concept. Ask ChatGPT to turn that specific concept into combined motion prompts for a video generator. By the way, you can get all these prompts from my Discord. Tell it to break the video down into 5 distinct scenes with camera and environment details. It will spit out exactly what you need for the next step. Now go to Ghostscript using the link in the description. Click the Try Now button for the Kling 3.0 model to open the generation interface. Now go ahead and create a new chat. Scroll down to the text box at the bottom, switch back to your ChatGPT tab, highlight the text for your first scene prompt and copy it. Head back over to Kling and paste that text directly into the chat field. Now you need to make sure that your chat has 9:16 in it, so it makes a vertical video. By the way, if you want to make this content for TikTok but are outside the Creator Reward Program regions, then check out the accounts I have in the description. Hit the Enter key to start generating. Wait for the loading indicator to finish building the motion. The video will appear right there on the screen. Hover over the video to preview the physics and movement. Click the small download icon to save the MP4 file. Repeat this process for your remaining scene prompts by copying them one by one from ChatGPT and pasting them into Kling. Before we edit, if you want to get access to the best niches before I post them, and you want one-on-one coaching from me where I literally answer every question, and my short-form content course, then join my community. It's the cheapest it'll ever be right now. Download CapCut using the link in the description and open a new project. Click the import button near the top left. Select all the video clips you just downloaded to bring them in. Click and drag your first scene down onto the timeline. Grab your second scene and drag it right next to the first one so they snap together. Play it back to see the transition. Hover your mouse over the edge of a clip until the trim tool appears. Click and drag inward to cut out any awkward parts. Ensure the forward momentum feels continuous from the surface down into the water. Go up to the top right corner and click the export button to render your final video. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to learn exactly how to monetize these videos, remember to check out my community link below for direct coaching and my full course. Get in now while the price is still low.